All right, your topic is fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
Do you like fruits and vegetables?
Yes.
All right, very good. Have you ever eaten onion ice cream? Ginger ice cream?
No.
They are new flavors.
I
Very
drank ginger tea.
ginger tea.
Yes.
What about garlic milkshake? Wow, that's yummy. Okay, so let's take a start. Do you like fruits and vegetables?
Yeah, I like fruit and vegetable both because it's very healthy.
They, because when you say fruits and vegetable both, so then you should say they are.
They are very healthy. I always prefer to eat vegetable more than fast food.
Okay, I mean, you should simply say, a question is, do you like fruits and vegetables? Yes, I like fruits and vegetables quite a lot. They are very good for my health, and as part of my culture, we consume fruit and vegetables quite a lot. So that's why I like them. That's it. Simple answer, okay? Let's go on. How often do you eat fruits and vegetables?
Well, on daily routine we eat fruit.
Not we, you means
Oh.
I. So how often do you eat fruits and vegetables?
Well, I eat fruit and vegetable every day because it's our routine to eat vegetable every day and fruit as well.
Okay, your answers are short, so you should add at least 1 to 2 more sentences to that. Why do you think fruits and vegetables are important for us?
Well, it's very important because once it's healthy, and another is it's very sweet, and it's available.
You're using it quite a lot, and again, the question is, why do you think fruits and vegetables? So fruits and vegetables should be they. Exactly, they are healthy first of all, and you can use some signpost words. For example, why do you think fruits and vegetables are important? Say fruits and vegetables are very crucial for us, first of all, then first reason. Secondly, then second reason, and finally, because they taste good, that's why I think fruits and vegetables are essential for us. Important, crucial, essential, okay, like this. Let's go on. What kind of fruit do you prefer?
Oh, well, I'm not a big fan of sweets. I prefer to eat fruit with high protein. So
You can talk about apple or any other fruit, like I love apples, then you can explain that.
I eat banana. It's healthy, and it's contain a lot of protein, which help me and boost my immune system.
Okay, do you like fruit juices?
Well, my milkshake is my favorite, banana milkshake, because it's contain healthy, healthy thing like oats and milk.
Okay, so do you think people should eat more fruits and vegetables?
Well, it's important to eat fruit and vegetable as well. Nowadays, people eat more fast food, which is harmful for them. So, vegetable are very important.
Okay, so for you, my advice is to add some more to your answers, because some of your answers are very short, and you should focus the subject of your answer. If the subject is plural, then you should use they. If it is singular, then you can use it. All right, thank you. Thank you.